In this course, we're going to explore multi-actions, which allow us to chain multiple actions together when interacting with a single element. This action works wonders for interactive presentations, where you're leading your visitors through the story. We'll also add a few delays here and there to make sure our viewers are able to follow along. Right, so we've got a page in front of us about Laika, the first living creature to enter space and orbit our planet. It's got a total of 4 scenes, which we're going to slide through with a single click. The scenes have a transition effect applied to them, and I've disabled the Activate Mouse Control option, so my viewers are only able to navigate through the scenes by using my interaction. I've got a button all the way at the top here that says Start Presentation, and we're going to add all of our actions to it. We'll start by adding a Scroll to Element action, having our viewers scroll down to the title at the bottom of this scene. Next, we'll click the plus icon to add a second interaction. Here we can choose from a list of possible interactions, such as Show Hide Element, Scroll to Element, Control Element, Go to Scene, or Delay. I'll select the Go to Scene option, and I'll make it go to Scene 2. Let's add the same interactions for both Scene 3 and 4. Lastly, I've got a pop-up on Scene 4 that I want to open after my viewer gets there. So I'll click the plus once again to select the Show Hide Element option. By the time we have reached this point, we're in Scene 4, so I can now see all the elements in my 4th scene. I'll check the pop-up group. Let's head into preview mode and try out our interaction.
I get the idea, but it's all going a bit fast.
And that's why we're going to add delays next. So let's throw in some delays in there to make sure viewers can keep up with my presentation. Click the plus icon again and select the Delay option. This allows me to set up a delay between the actions, and I can set the duration in milliseconds. The default is set to 2000 or 2 seconds, and I'll keep it like that. It's now all the way at the bottom though, or my final action, which isn't going to do much. Let's use the draggers on the left to drag it in between my other actions. I'll add some more delays between the other actions too. Let's preview that again.
Much better now.
Right? So, in this course, we learned how we can create interactive presentations and guide our viewers through the page by chaining multiple actions together. We also learned how we set up delays between the actions, alter their durations, and position them correctly in our list of interactions. Now you know how to create multi-actions. And don't forget to check out our Maglr Academy website for more tutorials.